In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp folders. If you're new to ClickUp, folders are the containers that sit inside a space and hold your lists. They help you group related work, like all the deliverables for a client or the phases of a project, so your sidebar stays tidy and your team knows exactly where to put tasks. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. On the home page, you'll notice a prominent Get a Demo button. Feel free to peek at it, but for our setup, choose Login at the top. On the login screen, pick your preferred sign-in method. If your browser is already authenticated, you may see a Continue as prompt. Proceed with your account to enter your workspace. Once you're in, head to the space where you want this folder to live. In the left sidebar, look for the Add or Plus button near your space. Click that, then select Folder. This tells ClickUp you're creating a new container rather than a task or a list. Give the folder a clear, descriptive name. Think about how your team searches for work. Project names, clients, or major work streams all make great folder titles. When you're happy with it, click Create to add the folder to your space. You'll see the new folder appear in the sidebar. Click the folder to open it. Inside a folder, the next level down is a list, the place where your tasks actually live. Click List to add your first list inside this folder. Create multiple lists here: backlog, in progress, or specific deliverables, based on how you organize work. A couple of quick tips as you set things up. If you don't see the